guys, welcome to another video. So today I have been sent a parcel from Kredioo. So Kredioo is a Amazon store. They are selling gel polishes and they've kindly sent me 2 gel polish kits. So this is the first one and they've sent me another one as well, which I'm going to be having a little play with in a couple of days. So keep your eyes peeled for that video. So this is a 6+2 gel polish kit. Inside you've got your application guide. You've got it in all the different languages. Essential tips, how to prepare the nails, little hints and tips, which I like. And then how to apply the gel polish and cure, and how to remove. Really great little leaflet this is. You've also got their email address on the back if you need to contact them. So the base coat cures in 60 seconds, the gel colours 60 seconds, and the top coat cures in 60 seconds. So that's great, easy to remember. So in this kit you get 6 colours. So let's take a look at the colours, shall we? We have got black, white, red, pink, a silver glitter and a gold glitter. Ooh. Now when I'm trying a new brand, I do like to try their black and their whites, because if they can get the black and the white nice and opaque and cure without wrinkling in the lamp, then they've usually got a really nice formula. So what I'm going to do in today's video, guys, I'm going to swatch these and we'll take a look at the colours and see how they apply. So like I said, these are available on Amazon. I don't know if they're available in the US or on the European Amazon. I'll have to find that out and I shall let you know in my description box below. You'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is a discount code for you guys, so you can save yourself some coinage. I should also leave that in my description box as well, along with the link to this particular gel polish set and also a link to the Kredioo Amazon store. So today I'm going to swatch these and I'm going to take a look at them, take a look at the colours and see how they apply. So I'm going to get set up and I'll pop back in a minute. So they come in glass bottles, 7.5ml. You've got the ingredients on the back, which I love. So this is the base coat. It's hardly got any smell to it. It's really nice base coat actually. It's not too thin, not too thick. And this is the top coat. Again, really nice consistency. Not too thick, not too thin, medium really. Right, so let's get swatching them. So let's take a look at this base coat and see how this applies, shall we? It feels really nice and smooth. Yeah, it feels really nice. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So that base coat's all cured. It leaves a really nice tacky layer. So the first one is C001. Ooh, I like that. Look at that, guys. One coat applies really, really nice. So I'm going to cure that one for 60 seconds. So that's after the first coat. Can't really see it on camera. So I'm going to give this black another coat. It's cured really nicely in the lamp. There's no issues with wrinkling or anything. I think if I was using this black on a natural coloured nail, I think I'd have even got away with one coat, to be honest. I think it's just because it's on a clear, it's got that little bit of transparency to it. I could see through it a little bit. But yeah, I think if it was on a natural coloured nail, I'd have got away with one coat. So now we're going to do C002, which is their white. Ooh, look at that for coverage then, guys. Ooh, yeah. I'm liking that a lot. Definitely going to get away with one coat on that. Look at that for coverage, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
And we've got C003. And we've got C004. Ooh, that's a really nice pink. I like that. That's a really pretty pink. Then we've got B001. Ooh, I like this one.
So can we just slow down?
Really like that one. Look at that. And then lastly, we have got B002. These glitter ones are thicker than the solid colours, but I have found that with most glitter gel polishes. suppose it needs to be that bit thicker to hold all the glitter, else all the glitter is just going to drop to the bottom of the bottle, I suppose, isn't it? And what I like about these glitter ones is you can nudge it about until you're happy with it, and you can put as much or as little as you want on. So if you want that crumb packed with glitter, the whole nail, you just keep going in and applying more and more coats. So that's after one coat. And then that's after 2 coats. So to get full coverage, you only need 2 coats. Really pretty, isn't it? I like that silver one. Ooh. And that's the gold after 2 coats. It's gorgeous. Look at the hollow. Really, really pretty. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So there we are, guys. That is them all had 2 coats. They've all had a coat of the Kredioo shiny top coat. I really, really like them. There's some really pretty colours. I love these 2 glitter ones. Massive fan of them. The white one coat, super opaque. So these are available to buy on Amazon, guys. I've also got a discount code you can use as well to save yourself some coinage. I'll leave all the information in my description box below. I'll also pin them in the comments as well. So you'll find the discount code, the link to the Kredioo Amazon store, and I shall also leave a link to these gel polishes as well. If anyone's interested in going over there and taking a look at them, just click the link in my description box. So I want to say a massive thank you to Kredioo for sending me these to try. They are really affordable, good little set of gel polishes. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.